Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
A delegation of foreign envoys from 24 countries has arrived in Jammu and Kashmir for a two-day visit. They landed in Srinagar on Wednesday morning. Now, this is the third such delegation that is visiting Jammu and Kashmir since the abrogation of Article 370 on August 5, 2019. But there are significant changes that have taken place on the ground since the previous visit. The government has restored 4G high-speed internet. DDC elections have concluded in the Union Territory. So, of course, the government would want to highlight those achievements during their stay in Kashmir. The delegation members are meeting a cross-section of people. They are meeting with the recently elected DDC members. They are also paying a visit at the Hazrat Bal shrine in Srinagar, and later in the day they are also expected to meet with some of the media persons, and also next day they'll be going to the Army's headquarter, 15 Corps headquarter in Srinagar, where they'll be given a detailed briefing of the security situation in the valley and along the line of control, where there have been infiltration bids from Pakistan. Now, though they will be meeting many people, but they are not slated to meet with three former chief ministers, Farooq Abdullah, Umar Abdullah and Mehbooba Mufti. All the three former chief ministers were slapped with the PSA after the abrogation of Article 370. They were detained, then subsequently released, and lately Umar Abdullah and Mehbooba Mufti had alleged that their movement was restricted and they were not allowed to move out of their residence. So clearly that's the situation on the ground. The foreign delegation coming to Jammu and Kashmir to get a sense of the situation on the ground. Next day in Jammu they would be meeting with the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and also other officials, where they will be briefed about the developmental activities that are taking place in Jammu and Kashmir. Now the visit comes after the resumption of the high-speed 4G internet, and the US had said that there is no change in its policy on Jammu and Kashmir. It had also welcomed the resumption of 4G mobile internet. US South and Central Asia Bureau of State Department had tweeted, "We welcome the resumption of 4G mobile internet in India's Jammu and Kashmir. This marks an important step for local residents, and we look forward to continued political and economic progress to restore normalcy in Jammu and Kashmir." Now, also clearly for the security forces, of course, the job is to ensure that no untoward incident happens and there is peace and no violence in the Union Territory when the foreign envoys are there for the two-day long visit. So clearly an important visit, the third such visit since the abrogation of Article 370. The members will be going to Srinagar. They're already in Srinagar and they'll be heading to Jammu as well to get a sense of the situation from the ground. In Jammu, Zafar Iqbal.